If you have been following the AI space recently, you have probably heard about Mistral AI. It is one of the fastest growing AI companies and is becoming a serious competitor to companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic. But what actually is Mistral AI? What makes it different? And is it actually worth using? In this video, I'll cover the features, pros, cons, pricing, and who should use Mistral and who Mistral AI is best for. And for now, let's get started. What is Mistral AI? Mistral AI is a French artificial intelligence company focused on building powerful large language models, or AI models, similar to ChatGPT. The company became popular because it offers high performance AI models that are more open and developer friendly than many competitors. Mistral provides AI chat assistance, coding and writing tools, API access for developers, open source AI models, enterprise AI solutions. One of the biggest reasons people like Mistral is that some of its models are open weight, meaning developers can customize and run them locally instead of relying completely on cloud services. Main features: powerful AI models. Mistral offers several models, including Mistral Large, Mixtral, Codistral for coding tasks, lightweight models for faster performance. These models are designed for writing, research, coding, summarizing documents, customer support automation, AI agents, and workflows. The performance is surprisingly strong, especially for coding and reasoning tasks. Open source options. One major advantage is that Mistral supports open source AI development. Some of its models can be downloaded and run locally, which is great for developers, startups, privacy focused users, businesses that want more control over data. This is something many closed AI systems do not fully allow: fast performance. Mistral models are known for being fast and efficient. Compared to some larger AI systems, Mistral often delivers quicker responses while using fewer computing resources. That makes it useful for AI apps, automation tools, real time chatbots, coding assistants. API access. Developers can access Mistral through APIs to build AI powered apps and tools. The API supports chat applications, AI assistants, content generation, coding tools, workflow automation. Pricing is usually competitive compared to some larger AI providers. Pros. Here are the biggest advantages of Mistral AI: strong AI performance, excellent for developers and coding, some open source models available, faster and more efficient than many competitors, good API pricing, more flexibility and customization, privacy friendly local deployment options. For developers, especially, Mistral is one of the most interesting AI platforms right now. Cons. Of course, there are some downsides too. Not as beginner friendly as ChatGPT, smaller ecosystem compared to OpenAI, some advanced features is still developing, limited mainstream integrations, open source setup can be technical for non developers. If you just want a simple everyday AI chatbot, ChatGPT may still feel easier to use. Pricing. Mistral offers both free and paid access depending on the model and usage. There are free chatbot options, paid API usage for developers, enterprise pricing for businesses. API pricing is generally usage based, meaning you pay depending on how many AI requests you make. For most small projects, the pricing is considered competitive. Who should use Mistral AI? Mistral AI is best for developers, startups, businesses building AI tools, privacy focused users, people who want open source AI flexibility. It's especially strong for coding, automation, and custom AI applications. But if you mainly want a simple AI assistant for casual daily use, ChatGPT or Gemini may feel more polished overall. Conclusion and final verdict. So is Mistral AI worth using? Yes, especially if you are a developer or someone interested in customizable AI tools. Its combination of strong performance, open source models, fast responses, and competitive pricing makes it one of the most exciting AI platforms right now. It may not be completely replace ChatGPT for everyone, but it is definitely one of the top AI alternatives to watch. And that is everything you should know about Mistral AI. If you found this video helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos, share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.